Why did you attack me, dragon?
Why? You need a reason?
I don't know.
Sometimes I just attack somebody. It's not you, pal. It's me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to My Lady Disdain. I'm Sandy.
And I'm John.
And we have something a little impromptu for you today. We are going to be doing a doll unboxing. It's not smart dolls, but if you like this kind of content, or if you like smart dolls, maybe consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. But John, you want to tell everybody what we're actually doing today?
We are going to be unboxing a few mythological creatures. This is really cool. I found some art dolls on Etsy from a shop called Kessan. They're pretty amazing. I'm hoping they're even more amazing in person. But we are going to be unboxing dragons.
I love dragons.
You can come with me on my dragon. He's my friend, and I own him.
That's something that everyone should know about me, is I love dragons.
Yeah, these are two dragons, both very different. They're sort of serpent-style dragons, so not like 4 legs and big wings.
Rather than a European-style dragon,
right.
more of a Asian type of dragon.
Yep. Yeah, they're about 48, 52 centimeters in length, so pretty good length, and they will stand nearly as tall as one of our smart dolls.
Like Cousin Jane will probably really like them.
Anyway, be sure to tell us what you think of the new dragons we're about to unleash and what you think we should do with them. Any special pictures maybe that I should take.
Make sure you leave it in the comments. Now, can we open these already? Because I want to see them.
Oh, fine. It's like magic. It works better if I do it before I make the box appear.
Right, yeah, probably.
I can't even edit that in post.
So this box came from Russia.
Yeah, wrapped in like 2 big bags.
Yeah,
so
it was packaging I had never seen before, so I was like, what the heck is that? I brought it in the house.
Like this big around the thing, and I kind of felt, and I was like, okay, there's a box in there. I'll just get it out of these bags.
And I had forgotten that he had ordered them, and John and Etsy is very, very dangerous.
I don't know what you're talking about. Not true. Eventually, somebody stops me.
The bank.
The bank. All right, well, I'm going to have you open it up.
Okay.
Okay, we have
it looks like
free
an extra gift of some kind, which is cool.
Some coasters from Russia.
They got the nesting dolls on there.
I've
some other
never
things.
Seen dolls like that.
On the other side, there's the nesting dolls.
Yeah, I know. I saw those. The Matroska.
And a I forget what this is called. Samovar.
Those are cool. All right. I'm gonna see a little bit of this.
Oh, it's blue.
Sort of greenish blue. I'm not even sure how to take this out of here.
Okay, that's pretty amazing. Wow. The detailing in the mouth and everything is phenomenal. That is so great. So the wings are leather and the body is stuffed fabric
with a wire base.
Yeah, so it's like it's basically a wrapped wire.
Yeah, so it's fully poseable.
I love the fur. It actually works. It's kind of got a dusty texture to it. Let me take this box away for a minute.
And let's get to the other camera here.
Okay, so this is freaking beautiful. So one of the things we thought was that these would be great to use with the smart dolls, but they would also be so cool for Ren Fair to just kind of like sit on your shoulder, like wrap over your shoulder. Kind of wishing Cammy was still in the scavenger fairy outfit.
Right. So the painted leather is pretty nice for wings, and it has a different design on the back.
So there's a sun on the
back. Sort of an eclipsed sun.
Which is very cool. And the tail is fully poseable, so you could actually just like wrap that around your arm, coil it around your arm a few times.
And I think you should be able to sort of make it stand up on its own, if I can.
It's not working. We'll figure it out.
But yeah, I mean, wrapping it.
Yeah, that's really cool. So it looks like it's trying to support itself on your arm, which is like really, really neat.
Yeah, and again, but just a matter of getting the. There you go.
Or around your, you could also put it around your neck. It could be coiled around your neck and sitting on your shoulders.
Yeah, so I imagine this sort of coming up behind, the dolls in like a shot or something like that.
Very cool. I wish you guys could see well the detailing in the face, those teeth. Like it's just really, really crazy cool. It's very well made. It feels very solid. It doesn't feel like anything is going to fall off it or anything like that. It needs to be.
It's a lovely shrug.
It's a new kind of infinity scarf, otherwise known as dragon.
Yeah, so we just need to figure out the right places to bend and help it support itself better with its weight.
But it is just like it's so cool. Okay, so that's the first one. So there's one more, as far as I know.
Yeah, there's just one more. This one's a little less flashy.
This one is, quite a bit different. Actually, it looks really cool like that.
It does. Like some sort of like seal on the floor. An emblem, not a seal.
Right. A little bit of marking on him. Might have to touch that up with some paint or something.
So this one, they created a dragon as a representation for a character in a show called The Untamed, which is a Chinese show. It's sort of a mystery fantasy sort of show. There's like good versus evil, devils, and things, and then like soulmates sort of struggling to uh, connect and save one, saving the other.
So it's a Chinese show. It's a fantasy, mystery, adventure sort of story.
Yeah. So this is modeled after sort of the two main characters. There's one that's good and one that's evil, sort of. And this is representing Lan Wangji, and that is the sort of good. They literally in the show like dress up. One is dressed in all white, one is dressed in all black. It's fairly literal. But I really liked these sort of tendrils coming off. And it sort of reminded me a little bit of Falcor, the luck dragon.
A little bit.
With these, kind of whisker tendril things.
There's also some Cthulhu-esqueness to it, maybe a little bit.
It's got this sort of gem in its forehead. So yeah, let's actually there's the back is kind of cool.
The molding of the leather is really, really, really neat. It looks like there's a couple of little marks on the wings, but it's nothing that we couldn't touch up, and it's not incredibly noticeable. It's a very well put together doll.
Yes, incredibly organic looking. It's sort of an odd thing, but I like the feathered serpent look.
Yeah, I mean, and I think that these will be really good companions for the smart dolls, which is, for your photos and everything, which is I know was one of your major purposes.
Yep.
But the fact that I love dragons, like that's very, very cool. So we love these dragons. If you know of any other artists who do really awesome quality dragons, ball jointed or otherwise, put it in the comments. Let us know.
Yeah, definitely interested in kind of expanding into. I don't think we're ready to start collecting new types of dolls yet, like BJDs and things like that. But I really like the idea of expanding into like fantastical creatures to kind of go with.
Getting some more and some pets, like maybe a cat, a dog, that kind of thing.
This just looks like it wants to just rest.
Yeah, it looks like it's very snake-like. Snakes have that sort of similar shape to their head, so it's like it looks like it wants to rest its head on you, and you could actually manipulate these tendrils too, which is kind of cool.
Yep, everything is wired just that little bit.
Yeah, we'll have to take a look at the way the artist pictured, put them in the pictures before they shipped, so we can see how they intend it to be displayed.
So that's pretty much gonna do it for us today. Eventually, we'll let you know what these guys end up being named. I have no idea.
But they will appear in photographs, etc.
Yeah, and if you want to look out for those, you can follow me on Instagram at SmartDollFolio.
And if you want to watch me gush over the fact that he does these amazing photographs, you can follow me at My Lady Disdain with underscores.
Until next time.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, you can put it down now.
I'm trying to get it. There we go.